Nike Sportswear is set to revive one of its most iconic silhouettes, the Nike Air Max Plus VII, this fall 2025, celebrating its 20th anniversary. Sneakerheads, both new and nostalgic, can look forward to the return of a model that's been missing from shelves for years. The relaunch kicks off with the original Varsity MaizE, white, black and metallic silver colorway, a vibrant classic that features the signature gradient upper, dynamic overlays, and bold tuned air styling that defined its legacy. While Nike has yet to confirm more colorways, fans can expect a mix of fresh and retro-inspired looks to follow. With its rich history and standout design, the Air Max Plus VII is set to re-establish its place in Nike's lineup. As anticipation builds, keep an eye out for updates and official imagery ahead of its fall 2025 debut. This revival is one tuned air fans won't want to miss.